Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz G63. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. I do not see any dents or scratches on this car at all, and all four wheels are in excellent condition. So the exterior of this SUV is in good condition. Now let's have a look inside. We're going to start with the driver's seat. The driver's side is in good condition. Now let's take a look at the passenger side. The passenger side is in good condition. Now let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Alright, everything here looks good. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Alright, the steering wheel is in perfect condition. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.